Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another wig review today. This one, I bought this wig from Samsbeauty.com. It is one of their signature studio cut wigs that are only being sold on their website. The one that I purchased was the studio cut. It is the natural deep part lace wig here. And this one is in the style DPL009. I do have her in a color 2, of course. So this is what it looks like on this stock card here. Very curly. It's very sexy, yes. All right, so this is the cap construction. Here is the lace parting here. It's basically just the middle part. All right. And it does come with 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, and adjustable straps. This wig is very soft and pretty, and honestly very, very big head friendly. I have so much room in this wig. It is perfect for me. My only thing about this, because of my skin tone, I don't really do well with brown laces, so I'm trying to see if even when I use like a like some lace tint or something, if it's going to get a little bit more of my color on here. But my previous experience with brown laces have not been, it just hadn't been pretty. But I still want to keep this wig because like I always wanted something with this curl pattern, and the only thing I could think of that had this curl pattern was the Sensational Butter Lace Unit 5, and it did not fit around my hairline for some odd reason. So I ended up giving that wig away. When I bought this, I was just like, oh yes, so much room. So much room. It's so pretty. And then it's pre-plucked around the front here. Pre-plucked around the whole, yeah, around the front. So I'm loving that. And then, you know, you can make your own baby hairs and whatnot. So now with this wig, do not brush, do not comb it, okay? It's curly wig for a reason. Do not do any of that. But that is our biggest mistake when we get curly wigs. Do not brush, do not comb it, okay? Because you will definitely mess it up. Definitely mess it up. What I didn't like was when I got it out the box, half of it just looked a little straight right here. I wasn't feeling that. So, but I'm still gonna wear it. And I can definitely style the mess out of it. I'm not gonna style it today because this is not the hairstyle that I want for today, but I just wanted you guys to see it and just be amazed by how pretty it is. I think this is like 20 inches long. So, great wig for all seasons, actually. Now, I can understand like in the hot heat summer, sometimes you just want to do this because like it's gonna be all around your neck. So putting this wig on kind of did make me a little hot. I can definitely assure you, made me a little bit hot, but I'm keeping it. I love it. I encourage everybody to get this. This is so big head friendly, you guys. You guys will not regret it. Definitely get it. It's only, how much was this? $32. A $32 wig like this, so soft and fluffy. $32 from Samsbeauty.com. You guys definitely go grab it now, okay? Grab it before they sell out. They got so many colors, like, you know, I had to get color number 2, but they have so many other different colors as well. I'm trying to see, is it even on this stock card? No, but on the website you can definitely go see it, and it'll give you the model looks of the colors that you want. So definitely check that out. All right, you guys, but that is it. Like, subscribe, and share, and comment to see more of my content. All right, you guys, have a good day. Bye.